The Spanish Ministry of Defense has announced an ambitious plan to procure 145 self-propelled howitzers, aiming to modernize the country's artillery capabilities and enhance its military readiness. This acquisition is set to replace the aging M109 howitzers, which have been in service for over 5 decades. The ministry's initiative includes the acquisition of 36-wheeled and 109 tracked howitzers. This move is part of a broader strategy to improve the Spanish Army's artillery support capabilities. The Defense Ministry's 2019 to 2023 legislative review outlines the necessity of this upgrade to bolster fire support in field artillery. The Spanish Army has specified requirements for the new howitzers, emphasizing a 155 mm caliber with barrel lengths between 47 and 52 calibers. The range must exceed 40 kilometers using base bleed ammunition. This specification ensures that the new artillery systems will provide superior reach and firepower compared to the current M109 units. Several defense contractors are expected to vie for this substantial contract. General Dynamics European Land Systems Santa Barbara Sistemas, GDELSSBS, has already showcased its contenders, the Donner and the Piranha Advanced Artillery Carrier (AAC). The Donner, a tracked vehicle, is based on the Escad platform and features the KNDS 155 mm L52 Artillery Gun Module (AGM). The Piranha AAC, a wheeled 10x10 vehicle, is also equipped with the AGM system. Currently, the Spanish Army operates approximately 90 M109A5E howitzers. 6 of these units are deployed in Latvia as part of NATO's mission. The new howitzers will significantly improve operational flexibility and effectiveness, ensuring that Spain can meet modern battlefield demands.